If you've clicked on this video, you probably have some idea that there are foods that can increase your risk of cancer. Although doctors will point to genetics and lifestyle as factors that can influence your risk, what you eat also has a part to play. This means that the foods you eat can either help fight cancer cells or cause them to grow. So whether it's chemicals added to these foods or the fact that they cause inflammation in the body, stay tuned to find out the 5 foods with the strongest links to the disease. And watch till the end, since number 5 might be something you've eaten more than once today. Number 1, processed meat. You may have heard that these are unhealthy, but the WHO has gone a step further by saying that processed meats are actually carcinogenic to humans, which means it's meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats that are especially an issue. Not only are they high in sodium, but between the nitrates and the smoking process used to cure them, they become a leading factor in the development of colorectal, stomach, and pancreatic cancers. So while there are, quote, nitrate-free meats available, which is where the meat is cured in celery juice, the science is mixed on whether they're any better. That means nutritionists say it's best to skip these types of meats in favor of fish, lean meat, or plant-based options. Number 2, alcohol. Despite all the talks of the benefits of red wine, all types of alcohol have been linked to an increase in cancer, which include colorectal, breast, stomach, and liver cancers. This is because when a person drinks alcohol, the body breaks it down into a harmful chemical called acetaldehyde, which damages DNA. Also, alcohol increases the production of free radicals, which damages cells, which then increases your cancer risk. And although limiting alcohol is always recommended, studies have shown that having 3 drinks in one day can be damaging to health, which is why there are those who have decided to abstain altogether. Number 3, fried foods. While I know they're delicious, fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts have all been linked to an increase in cancer. See, when foods are fried in high temperatures, it changes their composition, which creates carcinogenic compounds such as acrylamide. It is these compounds that have been linked to kidney, ovarian, pancreatic, breast, and esophageal cancers. And sorry, air frying seems to create the same compound, so you may want to limit all fried foods and opt for other cooking methods such as baking and sautéing. Number 4, soda. Soda is a drink that ends up on many problem food lists, but its placement on this one is deserved, since it not only contains high amounts of sugar, but has chemicals like artificial coloring agents and caramel colors that have been linked to multiple types of cancer. And since chemicals have been removed in the past for being carcinogenic, like saccharin in 1981, soda's track record isn't exactly clean. So the recommendation to swap soda for water and unsweetened tea seems to be a good one. Number 5, refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates are foods that usually contain white flour and are a problem because they've been stripped of all of their bran, fiber, and nutrients. Our bodies don't do well with these foods since they cause inflammation that contributes to a higher risk of cancer, which means they've been linked to an increase in colon, liver, and pancreatic cancers. See, when your body is chronically inflamed, cell mutations can create the perfect environment for cancers, which means foods like white bread, cookies, crackers, and cakes aren't doing your body any favors. Whereas foods high in whole grains like wheat pasta and wheat bread actually do the opposite by reducing inflammation. So that's the list. 5 foods that increase your risk of developing cancer. Did you see anything on your list that you need to limit or avoid? And if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, since we're always working on more videos on health and food. But until next time, remember, we try to eat healthy today to be healthy tomorrow. Take care.